Goldfinch is a decentralized credit platform for crypto loans without collateral. This is the missing piece that finally unlocks crypto lending for most people in the world. Goldfinch expands access to capital in emerging markets where crypto can truly empower financial inclusion. To get there, we're starting in emerging markets, which have the most unmet demand. Since launching in December, the protocol has already deployed $1 million in capital to thousands of borrowers across Mexico, Nigeria, and Southeast Asia. How it works. Liquidity providers supply capital to the senior pool. The protocol automatically allocates the senior pool to the senior tranches of borrower pools. Borrowers propose pools, with terms like the interest rate, for the backers to assess. Backers supply capital to the junior tranches of borrower pools. Our partners: we partner with highly reputable lending businesses with years of strong performance. Here are some of our initial partners, and we will continue to announce more. Join the Goldfinch.